My dear students, parents, teachers, fellow citizens, and our esteemed dignitaries on the dais, a very good morning to all of you. It is indeed an honor for me to share my thoughts with you on this momentous occasion as we celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our great nation. On January 26th, as we've already heard, in 1950, our Constitution came into effect, marking the birth of our great Republic. This foundational document is a testament to the struggles of our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our independence. Today, I shall cover three aspects. Firstly, the role of students in nation building. Secondly, the role of us all as citizens of India in the well-being of our country. And finally, in the end, I shall leave you with just 2 points of my personal experience in life of how to succeed in your job and in life. I'm sure if you imbibe by these 2 points, you should do well in your future life. My dear students, you are the future of our nation. You have the power to shape India's destiny and uphold the values of our Constitution. I urge you to understand the importance of our Constitution, to respect its values, and to uphold the principles. In doing so, you can build a strong, independent, sovereign, and a secure nation. I would like to now touch on the first aspect of the students' role in nation building. Firstly, you as future leaders. You are the future leaders of our country who can shape the nation's destiny and determine its progress. Aim of a leadership role and you will definitely succeed. Always look out for leadership roles, not become a follower. Next, you as ambassadors of our social change. Young minds brimming with energy, you can bring about positive social change by promoting values such as equality, justice, and freedom. We need to help the lower strata of our society to come up. At the same time, you can challenge social norms and conventions that hinder progress. Do not fear. If you feel that there is something wrong, stand up and fight for it. Next role of educating and raising awareness. Students can educate their peers and communities around you about the important national issues. They can raise awareness about social, environmental, and economic challenges. Fourth important role of promoting national unity and integrity. You can promote national unity and integrity by celebrating diversity of our country and promoting inclusivity. Everybody should be included in your approach to whatever you do. This will foster a sense of national pride and identity. Next role is developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. You need to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills which will enable you to analyze complex national issues. This will lead you to design and implement effective solutions at various levels, starting off at your community level, state level, and perhaps even at the national level. Coming to the sixth role, is engaging in community service. You must engage in community service, contributing to the betterment of society. What does community service entail? Community service will include participation in volunteer work. Volunteer wherever you can help somebody, a group, a community, your local bodies, and so on. Social activism is another place where you can contribute. Stand up and stand for what you believe in. And environmental conservation. And now environmental conservation is a very important issue where you can contribute. Next role is supporting national policies and initiatives. Students must support national policies and initiatives such as sustainable development, not wasteful development, but sustainable development, public health and education. These are the areas where you can help. They can also advocate for policies that promote national progress at various levels. Finally, embodying national values is what you can contribute as your role. You must embody national values such as patriotism, demonstrate your patriotism, secularism, and democracy. You must become role models, inspiring others to uphold national values. My dear students, by fulfilling these roles, you can make a significant contribution to nation building, driving progress and shaping a brighter future of our country. Now let us come to the second part of conveying my thoughts. As citizens of this great country, all of us present here also have a responsibility to contribute to its growth, development, and prosperity, all done as citizens. Now let us examine the role of citizens of India. You will notice that some of the roles that I'll be mentioning will overlap with what I've already mentioned as roles of students in national building. Students and citizens are interchangeable. Students of today are already citizens, and later on you become a complete citizen of the country where you can contribute for its upliftment. Number one role as a citizen is active participation in democracy. First and foremost, citizens have a duty to participate actively in the democratic process. What does this involve? This means exercising our right to vote. And students, of course, when they come of age to vote, you must exercise your right to vote and vote for the person that you feel is the best to lead in the country. This means engaging in, of course, democracy also means engaging in public debates and hold our elected representatives accountable for their actions. This is a very important issue which most of us do not pick up the courage to do so. Have the courage to question the leadership of being accountable for their actions. Next is respect for laws and institutions. We as citizens must respect laws and institutions that govern our society. This includes obeying all laid down laws, paying taxes, and supporting the judiciary and other institutions that uphold justice and equality. A very important role is promoting national unity and integrity. You as citizens have a role to play in promoting national unity and integrity. This means celebrating, as I mentioned earlier, diversity, promoting inclusivity, and fighting against discrimination and division. As we get into our careers, contributing to economic development comes in as citizens of this country. Citizens can contribute to the economic development of our nation by acquiring skills, starting businesses, and creating jobs. Next important role is protecting the environment, as I mentioned earlier. We have a responsibility to protect the environment and preserve natural resources for our future generations. This means adopting methods which are sustainable, reducing waste, and conserving energy. Coming to our role of encouraging transparency and accountability. Citizens must demand transparency and accountability from our leaders and institutions. This means seeking information, questioning decisions, and holding people in power accountable for their actions. An important role is fostering community spirit. Citizens can foster community spirit by volunteering and participating in local initiatives and supporting community development projects. Next is the role of promoting cultural heritage. Citizens can promote our cultural heritage by preserving traditions, sharing joy or celebrating festivals, and supporting art and culture. Coming finally to the role of embodying national values. Citizens must embody national values such as patriotism, secularism, and democracy. This means respecting our national symbols, celebrating our independence, and upholding the principles of justice, equality, and freedom. By fulfilling these responsibilities, we can build a stronger, more prosperous, and a just society for all. As we commemorate this day, let us remember the bravery and selflessness of our freedom fighters. Let us honor their legacy by working towards a better future of our nation. Finally, students, parents, teachers, and citizens, I would like to leave particularly to the students with a few points from my personal experience for success in life. First and foremost, you must develop confidence and pride in yourselves. How is this done? Confidence is gained through only one route, and that is hard work. This has been my experience throughout as a student and as a career officer in the Indian Army. There is no shortcut to hard work. And hard work leads you to resounding success. Umpteen times, it's only hard work that led me to succeed in whatever I endeavor to do. And ultimately, success itself inculcates a sense of pride in oneself. So please remember this mantra that hard work is the foundation which inevitably leads to confidence building, self-pride, and success in all your endeavors in life. Please make a promise to yourself to work hard, work hard, work hard. Next, my dear students, my personal experience has been that if you are good in your work, then nobody can stop you from climbing up the ladder of your career. You've got to be good. Hard work will lead you to be good, and that happens, nobody can stop you from where you want to go. So strive for excellence always in everything that you do. Excellence is what you should aim for in everything, not only your careers, but everything that you do, at home, in the classroom, with your friends. Reach for the highest excellence. In the end, I must remind you to respect your parents, respect your teachers, make sure you uphold the name of your family, your community, your alma mater, and of course our great nation. Let me wish you the very best in all your ventures in life. Thank you. Jai Hind.
बेंगलुरु के अल-अमीन कैंपस में पूरी आन बान शान के साथ रिपब्लिक डे का जश्न मनाया गया। अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी के तहत बेंगलुरु के लाल बाग के रूबरू मौजूद अल-अमीन कैंपस में 74वें यौम जमहूरिया 76th रिपब्लिक डे की तकरीब आला पैमाने पर मुनक्कद हुई। इंडियन आर्मी की अहम शख्सियत मेजर जनरल सैयद नूरुल्लाह शाह यौम जमहूरिया 2025 के चीफ गेस्ट रहे और आपके हाथों परचम कुशाई अमल में आई। इस मौके पर अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी के चेयरमैन उमर इस्माइल खान, सेक्रेटरी जुबैर अनवर सेठ व दीगर ओहदेदारान मौजूद थे। दोस्तों, इस रिपब्लिक डे की खास बात ये रही कि उमर इस्माइल खान की लीडरशिप में अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी ने कर्नाटक रियासत की एकीकरण तहरीक में शहीद होने वाले वाहिद शख्स बल्लारी के पहलवान रमजान साहब की याद में अल-अमीन कन्नड़ा अवार्ड का ऐलान किया और साल 2025 का अल-अमीन कन्नड़ा अवार्ड बीएड कॉलेज की असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मंगलम्मा को अता किया गया। इस यादगार मौके पर उर्दू ज़बान व अदब के फ़रोग़ के लिए नुमायां खिदमात अंजाम देने वाली महफ़िल निसा की सदर शाइस्ता यूसुफ और नायब सदर डॉक्टर जुबैदा बेगम को खुसूसी तहनीत पेश की गई। यौम जमहूरिया की इस तकरीब में मेजर जनरल सैयद नूरुल्लाह शाह ने अपने बसीरत अफरोज खिताब में कहा कि कौमी यकजहती नेशनल यूनिटी को मजबूत करने की जिम्मेदारी हर शहरी की है। आपने स्टूडेंट्स और शहरियों को अहम तरीन पैगाम देते हुए कहा कि वो कम्युनिटी सर्विस, सोसाइटी की फलाह व बहबूदी में बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा लें, एनवायरनमेंट की हिफाजत, माशी तरक्की में, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट में अहम रोल अदा करें। मेजर जनरल एस.एन. शाह ने ये बात भी कही कि अवाम नेशनल वैल्यूज को इख्तियार करें और इसका खुलकर इजहार करें, जैसे पेट्रियोटिज्म, सेक्युलरिज्म और डेमोक्रेसी। इन नेशनल वैल्यूज को इख्तियार करें और इनका खुलकर इजहार करें। इस तरह मेजर जनरल सैयद नूरुल्लाह शाह ने तकरीबन 15 मिनट की तकरीर में तमाम स्टूडेंट्स और सिटीजन्स के लिए काफी कीमती बातें कहीं। मेजर जनरल एस.एन. शाह की अहलिया मोहतरमा शगुफ्ता भी स्टेज पर जलवा अफरोज थीं। यौम जमहूरिया के इस जश्न के मौके पर अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी के स्टूडेंट्स ने खूबसूरत अदबी व सकाफती प्रोग्राम पेश किए। डॉक्टर जुबैदा बेगम का तहरीर करदा सरफरोशान वतन उर्दू ड्रामा इस मौके पर पेश किया गया। इस ड्रामे के हिदायतकार मोहतरम अदनान थे। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
He was entrusted with the commandant specialist of Armored Engineer Regiment.
पहली मर्तबा आए हैं, कैसे महसूस हो रहे हैं?
ये तो मैं पहली मरतबा आया हूँ एंड हमें पता नहीं था कि इतनी अच्छी इंस्टीट्यूट बेंगलोर में है। आई एम रियली इंस्पायर्ड बाय द वर्क दैट यू आर डूइंग।
तो 50 साल से इंस्टीट्यूट कायम है और 250 तकरीबन इसके इदारे हैं, तो क्या एक मैसेज आप देना चाह रहे हैं इस मौके पर?
मैसेज ये है कि the students in and around Bangalore must make full use of this institution, which is providing first class education, and it has a sense of participation of all communities, not only one community but all communities. I'm very, very happy to see that.
कम्युनिटी के लिए क्या पैगाम रहेगा सर, खासतौर पर मुस्लिम समाज के लिए आपकी क्या कैसे वो आगे बढ़े, क्या आपका मैसेज है?
मुस्लिम समाज को सिर्फ ये बता सकता हूँ कि अगर आप आगे बढ़ना है तो मेहनत से काम करो और एजुकेशन में इम्पोर्टेंस रखो. बिना एजुकेशन के कुछ नहीं, एजुकेशन और मेहनत.